Hi students, I am your logic teacher. In the last video, I actually saw that chapter 1 real numbers exercise number 1.2 we had a look at 1 and the first and second sum. So we are going to see the third one now. Okay, உங்கள் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்கை வந்து நீங்கள் எப்போவும் நான் சொல்கிற மாதிரி பக்கத்திலே வச்சுக்கோங்க. Third sum is actually find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. இது ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீங்கள் கீழே இருக்க அந்த மூணு சம்முக்குமே வந்து prime factorization யூஸ் பண்ணி LCMும் HCF கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ the first one வந்து நான் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன். செகண்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட் வந்து you just give a try. Okay, first one is 12, 15 and 21. ஓகேங்களா, இப்போ வந்து 12 வந்து ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணுவோம். நம்ம 12 ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணால் 2, 12 டிவைட் பண்ணால் we get 6, again by 2 we get 3. okay, then 15 we can do it by 3, right? 5, again 21 can do it. If we do it by 3 we get 7, right? How will you find the LCM and HCF? Here you can say that 12 is equal to 2 into, that is we have 2 2's, no? 2 squared into 3. 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and 21 is equal to 3 into 7, right? For HCF we will take the common, this is a common factor, right? So what are the common factors in these three numbers? We have 2 here, we don't have 2 here, we don't have 2 here, we have 3 here, right? We have 3 3 3, and you have to give a notice that the powers of 3, you should take the least power. What's the least power? We have 3 power 1 in all these 3, right? Okay, so we have to take that one for HCF. 3 power 1, that is 3 is the HCF for those 3 numbers. And for LCM we should take all the numbers in these 3 expansions. That is, we have 2 3 5 and 7, right? We have to take 2 3 5 and 7, and the highest power of these factors, we have 2 squared here, this is the highest power, so 2 squared. 3, for 3 we have only 1 in the power. Okay, for 5 and 7 also we have 1 1, so don't want to mention that. So what is the answer? This is 2 squared is 4 into 3 into 5 into 7, right? So 5 4s are 20, 3 20s are 60, 7 into 60 420, right? So the LCM is 420. You just try to work out the balance second and third sums. Now we are going to see the fourth one, the fourth question, right? Now the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Actually, given that HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9. So what is given actually? HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9, right? What we have to find? We have to find LCM of 306 and 657. This is a very easy question only. So how can we do this? We know the HCF and LCM. please note that we have only two numbers. For two numbers we have a formula that HCF of numbers a comma b into LCM of the same numbers a comma b, which is equal to product of those numbers, right? This is a formula. Here we know that HCF of 306 657 is 9 into LCM of 306 657 we have to find, right? That is the product of those numbers. What are those numbers? 306 and 657. 306 into 657, right? So if it goes there, other side of the equation, it will divide this number, right? So LCM of 306 657 is equal to 306 into 657, which is divided by 9, right? Now we cancel this by 3. 102 here, this is 3, right? Again we can do this. This is 1 time and this is 3 time, balance 1 4 times. So we have 657 into 34. That is the LCM of 306 and 657. Now we do the calculation. 657 into 34, right? 4 7s are 28, balance 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22, balance 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. 3 7s are 21, balance 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, balance 1. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, right? 8 3 7 plus 6 13, balance 1. 10 12, balance 1 2. So the answer is LCM of 306 657, right? So LCM of 306 657 is equal to 22,338. This is the answer, right? Okay, then we'll go for the fifth sum. Actually, read that question in your textbook. That is, check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. We have to check that there is a number 6, the power of 6 is n, right? And they given that n is any natural number, right? Then you have to check if any natural number, right? If you take 6 power 1, this is 6, right? What will you have in this? You cannot divide it by 5, right? See, the answer is 6, right? And then if you need 0 which is divisible by 5, right? You should have 5 in these factors. We can find it in an easy way by frame factorization method. 6 power n, right? How can you write 6? You can factorize 6 into 6 as 2 into 3 in prime factors, whole power n. Here do you have any number? You have the number 5? No, the answer is no. If you have factors 5 in your prime factorization, this number will end with 0, or else it will not end up with 0, because it has only 2 and 3 in prime factorization, right? So if you want to divide this number, if you want to check it is end up with 0, it should have the number 5, doesn't have number 5. So the prime factors not having number 5, so for any natural number 6 power n will not end with digit 0, right? This is the answer. Then you will see the other two questions in the next video. Thank you very much.